Okay, all right. So this is the next question on linear programming problem for the year 2016. 2016 the hangiba question name. Okay, so question is first paring yam sangwa man many questions and then sang many yam duba man questions. Okay, the longer the question, it seems that it's very tough, right? But it's not like that. Okay, see, let's line by line, let's try to read. A company makes 3 models of calculator ABC. Okay, akoy the calculator company se calculator kya same hai ba 3 ABC kadai da factory 1 and factory 2, right? So let's start the writing here. Okay, solution. Okay, the given given LPP can be what? Can be formulated as, right? Okay, yang see, yeah, types of what? Types of calculators. What are the types? We have 2 types, A, another type is B, right? A, B, C also. A, B, C. Factory, okay, sorry, factory kya tha? At what factory? Factory 1 and factory 2, right? So write down here factory. Okay, so let's say this is 1, this is factory 1, and this is your factory 2, right? So A have calculator factory 1 and factory 2. B is for factory 1 and factory 2. C also require factory 1 and factory 2. Okay, now let's see what are the given condition and all that. Okay, right. And what it says, a company has order of at least, so this is the keyword, at least calculators or model. How much? 6,400. How much? So A calculators ki how many? Minimum quantity say at least how much? 6,400. At least means it should be greater than or equals to 6,400, right? Okay, right? Okay, next, and it says 4,000 calculators of model B. Here 4,000 calculators of model B. Okay, B na kya? 4,000. That means at least negotiable. So B is minimum is 4,000, right? Next, how much? 4,800 calculators of model C. Okay, C then how much we require? C for C it is 4,800. Up to this is okay. C to the khali. Now yung at factory 1 50 calculators of model A. At factory 1 50 factory kaida 1, I mean we are considering this 50 calculators of model A, 50 model of B, and 30 model of C are met every day, right? Okay, so factory 1 the how many? So the mise kya neva A kya met hoeva 50. Okay, yang sikong here. This is what factory 1 the 50 calculators of model A, right? And 50 of model, how much? 50 of model B. So 50 of model B we are considering for the only one. And then how much? 30 of model C. C ki kya? 30 of model C, right? Okay, similar. Now let's consider another in factory 2, right? So we are considering this factory 2, the how many 40 calculators of model A. So here it will be 40, 20 models of B, so 20 models of B, and 40 model of C. C gonna kya 40 models are made every day, and it costs how much? It costs 12,000. It costs, this are the cost price every day to operate factory 1 and factory 2, right? Factory 1 and factory 2 operate factory 1 and 12,000, factory 2 get 15,000, right? Yeah, this we will come later on. Find the number of days is factory should operate, right? Is factory should operate. However, factory 1 ga factory 2 ga do numit kya ni thabak su ga dageba, so that minimize the operating cost, right? Minimize what? The operating. So this is the question of minimization, and must the find the number of days, right? Number of days. Also the thabak su dishi kana neba this factory 1 and factory 2. Suppose that let's say this unit works for factory 1 work for, we can take this as X days, and factory 2 works for Y days, right? So factory 1 so let's say factory 1 works for X days, factory 2 works for Y days, and number of days, and that means we have to find X and Y, so that minimize the operating cost. Operating cost to minimize. Now what was the cost of operation of factory 1? It is 12,000. B factory 2 how much? 15,000, right? So let's say let's start our calculation. So here you can say let A works for X days, and sorry, this is not A, actually it should be this is not B. Let factory 1, okay, let factory 1 works for X days, and factory 2 works for how many days? Y days, and let Z be the operating cost. Then that is Z kya tarani. Okay, let's see. Now factory 1 no mother chang is kya no 12,000, but factory 1 je work for how many days? X days. That factory 1 sigi total kya changani? It was 12,000 into X plus. Similarly factory 2 gi how much is the cost? 15,000 per day. The 15,000 work for how many days? Y days. So it will be 15,000 times of Y, right? So Z se kya neba, this is the operating cost, right? So Z will be this. Now now our LPP is, okay, minimize or maximize? Look at the question, minimize. Okay, so our LPP is what? Is minimize Z.